In today's video, I'll be showing you how to join the $100,000 campaign by MrBeast. I'll also be showing you how to go about this campaign and how to make sure that you qualify and get the money that you'll be paid. For this campaign, they promise to pay $3 per 1,000 views. So I'll be showing you how you can get the clips and how you can get these views and get paid using this platform by MrBeast. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do to like, comment and subscribe on this video and on this channel as a way of showing your support to what we are doing on this channel. So let's dive in. For this, we'll be using Vyro, a platform by MrBeast. So also used by Mark Rober. It's also a very popular YouTuber. So what we need to do is click on start clipping, and so you sign up, create your account. So you just input your email address and you click on sign up. A code will be emailed to you to the email you've imputed. So all you need to do is impute the code from your email. So the code that was given to you, you write it on this box provided to verify that your email address truly exists. So let's just do that. So after doing that, you'll be prompted to create your account to make your profile. So your name and your username would be required. So you can use your name or you can use any name that you feel like using if you want to stay anonymous. So let's say I want to use Clips as my name and I want to use Clips. Okay, this is already taken. Okay, it's already taken. So you can use any username, so it doesn't really matter the username you're using. So let's just say I want to use everything Clips as my username. So if I've done that, select your location, that's the country. You can change that from the United States if you want to, and click on continue. You can connect your account, your social media account if you want to, or you can skip for now if you want to do that as well. So this is it. This is the campaigns that are currently active, and the ones that's currently active is by MrBeast. Join King of Meat game launch. That's one of their latest video on the Beast channel. That's the gaming channel. So you can see this is the King of Meat, a brand new survival game that launched this week. Make clips of the game and earn a share of this $100,000 clipping campaign. So you'll be paid per 1,000 views, and you pay $3 per 1,000 views. So you can post these clips that you'll be getting from me. You can post them on TikTok, you can post them on Instagram. It doesn't really matter the platform you're using. As much as you get 1,000 views, you'll be paid $3. So you also need to submit these clips. When you've done that, you need to submit the clips and also need to create your account. So you can find your campaign if you want to find a campaign. The campaign that's available now is the one by MrBeast. So that's the only campaign that's available, and they are paying $3 per 1,000 views and 3,000 per 1 million views. So these are the platforms that they accept: TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. So no botting or stealing. So if you want to just click on join campaign, so you've successfully joined the campaign. So what you need to do now is to submit your post, directional content. So submit post, you'll be directed to submit the clips that you've posted on any social media platform. So what you need to do is, firstly, you need to create a clip and you need to submit those clips, post them on your social media account, and those clips should get views. And the minimum views that's required to be qualified is 1,000 views. So 1,000 views is the minimum, and you are supposed to use a hashtag King of Meats in your clips. So use King of Meats. You can tag MrBeast to it if you want to. So these are all the content you're supposed to use. So you can read through all of this. So this is the video. So you can there are also other files available in their Google Drive that's linked to this place. So their content, Google Drive, and also in a video on YouTube. So you can click on this and you also get a variety of content you can use to create your clips if you want to. So these are all content you can download to your device and you can use to create clips. Don't worry, I'll be showing you how to create the clips in a very easy and simple manner, so you don't want to waste time doing this. So the clip needs to be approved. The view requirement is a minimum of 1,000 views is required to be eligible for payouts. So each 1,000 views is $3. So you must make at least 1,000 views per each video to be eligible to payout. And no booting, stealing, or reposting. So you cannot steal other people's content, and you cannot boot your content because it will be detected. So if you want to submit clips, you click on submit clips and you'll be able to submit. It's got a platform: Instagram, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And the payout is 3 CPM, that's $3 per 1,000 views. So per every 1,000 views approved, you'll be getting $3. So you can get 1,000,000 views and you paid $3,000. So for those people that probably your TikTok is not monetized, this is what you can use. So you can submit your post and they would vet the post and see if it's eligible. So that's it. So if your TikTok, if you're using your TikTok, you'll not be getting money from it. If you're using your Facebook, your YouTube or your Instagram, or you're not getting paid for it, you can get paid using this campaign by MrBeast. So just clip it, and you are supposed to post the content you clipped, you post them here, and you'll be paid. So this is where your earnings will be. If you've if you join the campaign, your earnings will be here. So that's just it. That's it. So let me show you how to clip this videos using a free AI platform. The platform we'll be using is Opus. So you just come over here, copy the link from the video you want to clip. So we're supposed to copy this link. You click on share and you click on copy. So you've copied the link of the video that you were asked to clip. So what we do now is to create an account with Opus. So you can paste the link and get free clips, but you'll be prompted to create an account. So let's create an account. So you would input our email address. That's the email address we want to use for this Opus. And mind you, you can use you can create as much account as possible, because starting out we are giving 10 free credits, and oftentimes that's not enough to do whatever we want to do. So we can create multiple accounts just to start, and when we have probably made money from this challenge by MrBeast, we can then get the premium plan and get some credits that we can be using to do other campaigns when they are available. So click on continue. So we've successfully created an account using OpusClips, and this OpusClip would go through this video link we've sent and would create a number of clips. It can be 6, can be 7, it can be more depending on the length of the video and also the number of credits you have. So what this platform will do is to get clips for you. So this is the video, and this. So we've gotten get clicks. So we don't have enough credits. So currently I have 0 credits. So our credit is not enough. We need 12 credits, but we have 0 available. So we can buy money if we want to do that. But we can also reduce this length of the video to ensure that we get less credits. So we can probably the credit is not enough. We can do that. So we can reduce the length, and the credit required would also reduce. So for this, but we have 0 on this account. Probably we've used this email address before. So like I said earlier, we can use as much account as possible. So let's log out from this. So what we want to do is to log out from this one, log out from this account, and we want to log into another account or use another Gmail address. So to create an account. So you can say you have just one Gmail account, but you can create as much Gmail account as possible to get as much credit as possible to create as much clips as possible, so that the probability that you paid higher would be more. So this is it. Just click on that, enter your verification code. So you'll be prompted, and a verification code will be sent to your email address. So you need to enter that verification code on this place, that's this empty space that's been provided. So after entering the verification code, you click on continue, and also be brought to that platform we used before. The platform we've used will be brought to that place. So that's the dashboard before. So your free trial started. Yeah, you are low on credit. So I have 10 credit on this one. So I want to close on this and start clipping. So you can drop any link. It can be a Zoom link, it can be a Twitch link, but we're using YouTube now. So let's drop the YouTube link from Jimmy's YouTube page, and this is it. So we have 10 credit now we can use. So what we can do here is this. So but what is required is 12 credit. So like I said earlier, you can reduce the length of this video, and you can probably come again and see it's not 7 credit required. So let's make it got 8 credit required. So you can probably use just 9 credits on this account and create another account and use probably and do from probably the middle to the end to finish all of the video. So you can use any of these captions and click on get clip in one click. So your project submitted successfully. So you can fill this survey form. So business marketer, let's say solopreneur, let's use that. You can use any of these details. This is just OpusClip trying to get survey of who is using the platform. So we can do this for them, for helping us with a free platform to get clips. So we don't need to do this, so we can just get out of there. And you see the clips is regenerated. We have estimated 2 minutes, and this clip would be available for use. Once the clip is available, we can click on the clip, and you see all the clips generated using this will be shown as seen below. Look at all the clips. You can play them and you can see. You can download them. I have 6 clips that I can post with the potentials to get views and partake. So these are all the clips, and you can see here they are playing. So these are all the clips. These are all the clips. You can play as much as you want to play. So all of these are the clips that are available. So these are the clips. So you have the viability percentage over here. You can download them if you want to download your video in HD quality. So you can download your video if you want to continue. This is the Opus sign to be there. So we can do continue anyway. So we've downloaded all of these clips. We can download all these clips and post them on our TikTok, post them on our YouTube, post them on our Instagram. So after we've gotten the 1,000 views, or immediately we'll pass the 1,000 views, we can submit our clips using those methods I've shown you before, and you'll be qualified to get paid for the clips. Yeah, so this is it. This is just it. You can download all of this. This is a viral score, and this is 96. So this is likely to be more viral than the others. This is 97. This is 93. This is 91. This is 88. So this is it. Just download them, post them on your platform, and you're good to go. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do well to like and comment and subscribe as a way of showing your appreciation to the knowledge that's been shared here today. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.